In the modern era, there are various ways to earn money online. However, most of these methods often require extended waiting periods before you can see any significant earnings, and the returns may not always justify the time invested. Nevertheless, what if I told you there's an easy and effective way to make a substantial amount of money using a free website and some basic Google tricks? That's right. In today's video, I'll introduce you to yet another exceptional online earning opportunity, earning money by sharing your opinions. Moreover, I'll share a pro tip on how to maximize your earnings by submitting ideas you find online for free, enabling you to complete tasks faster and more efficiently. So let's not waste any more time and get yourself a nice cup of coffee. Pay attention, as you won't want to miss any of this valuable information. Now let's get back to the main topic of today's video, a website called MinSumo. This platform allows major companies to quickly and affordably crowdsource breakthrough ideas from creative problem solvers like yourself. If you visit MinSumo.com, you'll find numerous projects that offer payouts ranging from $30 to thousands of dollars. Furthermore, the site features a leaderboard showcasing individuals who are consistently stacking up their earnings through active participation, giving you limitless potential to earn money by sharing your ideas on topics that interest you. MinSumo has an impressive track record of working with some of the world's most renowned companies, including Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Adidas, Spotify, Facebook, IBM, and even the beloved childhood favorite, Disney. So, how can you start presenting ideas on MinSumo? Upon entering the website, you'll be prompted to indicate whether you are a company seeking ideas for a project or a problem solver looking to earn money by sharing your ideas. Choose the I am the problem solver option, which will lead you to an introductory page. In the upper right corner, click on Sign Up if you're new to the platform. This will open a registration tab where you can create your MinSumo account by providing your name, location, personal or business email, and password. Additionally, on the registration page, you'll be asked to rank and categorize your creative, marketing, and technical skills. Be sure to select the appropriate proficiency level for each skill, and I recommend choosing above average proficiency after assessing your capabilities. Once you've completed this step, review and accept MinSumo's terms of agreement and privacy policy. Now, you're well on your way to exploring exciting earning opportunities on Minds, and accept the privacy notice. Further down, there's a CAPTCHA verification box to ensure that you're not a robot attempting to share innovative ideas. Once you've completed this step, click the blue sign up box and congratulations, you are now officially a problem solver on MinSumo. You can start exploring and selecting projects to earn cash. The platform offers various challenges categorized by skill, such as business engineering, food sciences, computer science, and more. This allows you to explore and match your interests, as these categories offer good compensation. By clicking on any of these categories, you can view all finished and still accessible projects from which you can make money. Alternatively, you may directly click on the active projects above the skill-based challenges to see all available challenges in different categories. In a moment, I'll share with you a simple technique to answer these questions quickly using only Google, saving you from the effort of racking your brains for a solution. That's right, you can answer questions from any category within minutes with just a few clicks. So, scroll through the active challenges that are available to you. For instance, you may choose the challenge offering a $1,500 reward for answering the question, how can a new alcoholic beverage brand tap into the most relevant digital channels for Gen Z? Clicking on I have an idea will take you to a page with more detailed questions related to the main inquiry. Additionally, you will be required to provide your age, address, and other relevant information. Now, the bottom section is where you'll actually enter all the answers you formulated in the previous section. I'll teach you a technique to answer these questions faster using Google. I hope you're still paying attention, because the next method I'm going to share is extremely important. Before we delve further, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video thus far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video and discuss how you can start formulating answers for any questions on MinSumo. In this part, Google proves to be highly useful. Simply copy the question and paste it into the Google search bar, and it will provide you with various answers from different websites. There are also sites like Quora, where individuals frequently provide answers to random questions, allowing you to conduct your research for answers while also gaining insights from verified sources. You can copy and paste the question into the Quora search bar to find similar questions with comprehensive answers. To turn your Google search results into a Google Docs file, follow these simple steps. Begin by searching for Google Docs and sign up for a Gmail account if you don't already have one. Then, create a new document, similar to Microsoft Word, where you can paste the answers you find on the internet. Compare the various answers to determine which one provides the most comprehensive response. These findings can serve as a reference to develop or expand on your own creative thoughts when responding to the given questions. If you prefer, you can leave the answers as they are after completing this process. For organization, I recommend placing a title at the top of the document, stating Minsumo Challenge followed by the specific question you have chosen. You have the option to modify the font size and text color to black for better readability. Once you've completed this step, copy everything you've gathered and paste it into the designated area at the bottom of the challenge you've selected. After submitting your work, you'll need to wait a few hours for the project developer to accept your submission. Once accepted, you can enjoy the reward of thousands of dollars in your online wallet. That's all there is to it. If you enjoy similar content like this, feel free to check out my other videos. If you liked this one, please smash the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.